Finally, officially after 2 years of absence, Samsung is finally officially bring back the biggest nightmare of the Galaxy fan. And well, I wish was not a true, but it's true. Exynos 2400 is now officially. And well, there are a lot of improvement to look forward to. But spoiler alert, this is going to be disappointed you massively. So compared to Exynos 2200, we have 70% faster CPU gains while having massive improvement. When it's come to the power efficiency, we have the latest generation of AMD graphic on board with the RDNA A3 architecture. And as amazing it might sound to you, the GPU performance is just a little less faster than the AG Gen 2 on the Galaxy S23 series. So let me get this straight, the Galaxy S24 will have a less faster GPU than the S23 from this year literally. Samsung is the only brand that is pulling this off, and I think it is very disappointing. Samsung also mentioned that Exynos 2400 is about 50% faster in AI processing than the Exynos 2200 from last year. But truth be told, this chip is just barely managing to the keeping up with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 from this year alone. Any kind of comparison with the 8 Gen 3 monster that we are going to see on the Galaxy S24 series. In the some market, the gap between Snapdragon Edge and Exynos has never been this big. So once again, lesson learned, never accept anything good from Samsung when it's come to the Exynos chip, because this chip is just not what we all told. The only good thing they are that Samsung will keeping up the Galaxy S24 Ultra Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 exclusive as for Exynos 2400. Well, get ready for this bad news. According to EI, the market division for this set to be Europe, Latin America, Africa, and Asia, including South Korea, which is Samsung home market, as well as the biggest smartphone market, which is India. I am all ears. Let me know what you think about in this comment below. This report is coming from EI and they are usually pretty spontaneous with this kind of stuff. So as for Canada, USA and China, this is where we are going to see Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on the S24 and S24 Plus. S24 Ultra is the only model that is Snapdragon exclusively. This makes me very sad because S24 Plus is actually pretty genuine based this year. A lot of people will be interested to buy this, but if you are Asian market or Europe, I am sorry to say, but you're pretty much going to get scammed unless you buy the Snapdragon model from other market or just buy the Ultra model. It seems like at this point Samsung is just trying to sell the Ultra model in any way possible. So let me know what you think about in this comment section below.